Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Mydha Lunica, number ID 191-030-6077. I'm from Mathematic Education 1, Didar University. I'm here to explain about limit, derivative, and integral. Number 1 is limit. The given real number c and L. If the value fx of a function approach or equal L as the value of x approach but do not equal c, then f has a limit L as x approach c. Limit x approach c, fx equals to L. How to say limits? Number 1, limits of fx as x approach infinity. The limit as x goes or tend to infinity of fx. Number 2, limit of fx as x approach from above or right. The right hand limit of fx. Number 3, the limit of fx as x approach from below. The left hand limit of fx. The next, number 2, is derivative. The derivative of f at point A with respect to x is the limit of changing rate of f near point A. The derivative of a function f at A denoted by fa is f prime A equals to limit h approach 0 f times A plus h in the bracket minus fa divided by h, if this limit exists. The next is basic formula for derivative of algebraic function. Fx equals to a times x u per n. So, f prime x equals to a times n times x u per n minus 1. How to say derivative? Number 1, f prime x or f dash x, the first derivative of x with respect to x. Number 2, f double prime x or f double dash x, the second derivative of f with respect to x. Number 3, f triple prime x or f triple dash x, the third derivative of f with respect to x. Number 4, f4 x or f4 prime x, the fourth derivative of f with respect to x. Number 5, df dx, the derivative of f with respect to x. Number 6, d square f dx square, the second derivative of f with respect to x. Number 7, dy partially by x, the first partial derivative of y with respect to x, delta y by delta x. The last, d square y partially by x square, the second partial derivative of y with respect to x, delta 2y by delta x square. The next is maxima and minima. Find fx and solve fx equals to 0. This value of x, say x, is the stationary or extreme or critical point. Probably maxima or minima will occur at this point. Find f double prime x. If f double prime x more than 0, then x is local minima. We can say that x is a maximum or minimum point. The last, if f double prime x equals to 0, then x might be a point of inflection. The last is integrals. Integral could be described as the set of all antiderivative, because if the derivative of fx is fx, then the integral of fx is fx plus a constant. integral fx dx equals to fx plus c. The next is basic formula for indefinite integral. Integral x u per n dx equals to 1 divided n plus 1 times x u per n plus 1 plus c. How to say integrals? Number 1, the integral of fx from a to b, or the integral from a to b of fx. Number 2, integral from 0 to infinity. Number 3, the indefinite integral of fx. For exercise, we will solve a problem is determine limit t approach 4 root of t minus 2 divided t minus 4. So, root of t minus 2 divided t minus 4 equals to root of t minus 2 divided by the denominator or t minus 4 can be factor. So, root of t minus 2 in the bracket times root of t plus 2 in the bracket. So, we can cross out the root of t minus 2. So, equals to 1 divided root of t plus 2. So, for the last, limit t approach 4 root of t minus 2 divided t minus 4 equals to limit t approach 4 1 divided root of t plus 2 equals to 1 divided root of 4 plus 2 equals to 1 divided 2 plus 2 equals to 1 divided 4. So, the answer is 1 divided 4. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.